anything. So like that.
Not too bad.
No. We'll do it this way. It's worked.
So you got Singer sewing machine there, yeah?
A Singer sewing machine.
Yeah.
It's a 16K33. That is the unique model for a tailor's sewing machine. When people say to you, oh, we have a machine like that in the house. They have the machine like that in the house.
It's a kind of heavy duty one, is it?
That's a heavy duty one, right?
And how old would that machine be now?
That machine is well over 100 years old.
And does it ever break down?
That machine cannot break down. And I'll show you why. Because if you think back at the Model T, the Model T was a very plain car. You opened the bonnet and all you saw was 4 valves. Isn't that all?
Probably. I never saw one.
No, right? If I would take off the bend off that, I'll show you the guts of this machine.
That's it. I can't see anything. Is there anything in there, is there?
What could go wrong there?
No, nothing. There's not much to go wrong. No, not much to go wrong in there, right?
No.
Simplicity, is it?
What?
Simplicity.
Simplicity.
Yeah.
Ali, your results, your degrees, you can call all the letters you put after your name if you like, right? It's in your work. It's what you can do. It's not letters after your name. It's what you can do.